right, traders, this is Blake Morrow. You are listening to the Morning Edge webinar. So, ahead of the jobs report, we're seeing a little bit of dollar strength coming in, but you know, things can change dramatically here in just a second. And remember, we're going to watch the dollar yen. The dollar yen always tells us exactly what the what you know. What's happening with the jobs, in my opinion. You know, it's going to tell you if it's a strong or weak report. All you have to do is watch the dollar yen. You can see how the market is going to respond. At least the currency market's going to respond. I have my finger on the sell button for the dollar yen. If we spike up to 119 and change, I also will be watching crude oil, the dollar Canadian as well. But we're going to keep an eye on the dollar yen first. We've probably got less than 10, 15 seconds. Paul Franco is not here right now, which he's in the chat room. So stand by. That's a strong jobs report. Watch, here we go. We're getting close. Come on, 119. Come on. Come on. 292,000 jobs. Dang it. Come on. Get up to 119. Come on. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Canadian jobs report came in pretty weak. Oh no, actually it came in to 22,000. Okay, not too bad. Dollar Canadian spiked up a little bit with this dollar strength. Come on, dollar yen. Do it. Gosh dang it. See, the dollar yen's gonna spike up and it's coming down. I didn't make it as high as I wanted it. Nah. Gosh darn it. I'm going to cry about it too. See, damn it. Son of a scumbag. Don't you hate it when it does exactly what you think it's going to do, but it just doesn't get up to where you think it's going to get? Let's see, average 292,000. Average hourly earnings came down. Average hourly earnings did come down, just FYI. So let's see, stocks are bouncing, dollars creaming higher. Okay, come on, dollar yen. Come on, get up to 119. Get up there. Get. Come on, girl, you can do it. Come on, Betsy, you got it. You can do it. Up the hill, up the hill. Just trying to get it up to 119. We can just get it up to 119. I know some of you are probably nibbling on the short side of the dollar yen right now. I'm trying to be patient here. I'm trying to exercise patience. I am going to sell a little bit more dollar Canadian right now, FYI. I sold some above 114, not very much, 114.02, just so you guys know. 141.02 is what I meant to say, not 114. Brad Blue, you're my boy. Come on, Blue, get up there. It ain't up to 119, and just it spike up to 119. Give me the 119. That's what we're waiting for, folks. 119, because it's obviously not going to make it up to 119 and change. Now, you know what's interesting though? Stocks are spiking higher. Stocks are spiking higher, and they do like this news. Okay, that's the interesting thing. So, for now. Come on. I'm not doing anything aside from selling some dollar Canadian. Did you guys sell some dollar Canadian? Dollar Swiss is doing good. Come on, dollar yen. Get it up there. Get it up there. Canadian Swiss, somebody just screamed out, Daryl. Daryl, I'll look at it. Let's take a look at Canadian Swiss. I've been thinking about that one because you guys have been telling me I should be looking at it, and oh hell. Oh, dude, did we all come all the way down to 70 cents? We came really close, didn't we? I was not even looking. What a bozo. I missed that one. Hold on really quick. Ew, wait. Ooh. This looks really solid. So we had a strong Canadian jobs report, so that keep that in mind. I know everybody's looking at the dollar right now, but the Canadian jobs report was pretty solid too. Come on, dollar yen, you got it, girl. Come on, come on, 119. Stocks are still creaming higher, so we might actually get that 119, guys. Come on, you can do it, Betsy. You can do it. You can do it. Swissy's still moving higher. Hey, don't look now, but that Kiwi is really close to support. If I know we'd spike below it, but if stocks find some sort of resistance, if stocks find some sort of resistance and they start to move lower, the Kiwi might actually start to fall. It's the final countdown. All right, come on, dollar yen. I don't know if we're going to make it up to. We're not going to make it up to 119. Damn it. Damn it, man. See, we're not even making it up to any fibs. I wanted a minimum of 119, which is the 50% fib. Hey, you know what I'm also doing really quick? Oh, you know what also happened? Forget what I'm doing. What had happened? I bought some more euro pound just to let you all know. I got limited into my euro pound. Um, I think I had my order at 74.25, but I ended up buying a little bit more euro pound. FYI, down here. You guys know it's a pretty bullish break. See, this dollar yen is just not going to do it. Look at now. See, look at stocks. Look at this. It's happening exactly as I had planned. It just didn't, not exactly, it just didn't reach the levels that I hoped. See, stocks, big number, right? Big number. The market, the knee-jerk reaction is stocks are going to go higher. Good, strong economy. Now what we're seeing is we're seeing the stock market come down because people realize, hey, listen, if we have a strong jobs report, the likelihood of the Fed maybe raising rates might be a little higher. But looking at like the average hourly earnings, those came in really poorly. Unemployment rate came in at 5%. So I don't, I think the risks, if people are thinking the risk of the Fed actually raising rates sooner rather than later are higher, I don't think they are, because average hourly earnings would need to be going up with it as well. So the dollar yen, I mean, it spiked up to 118.83. I was really hoping for 119. I'm still standing on the sidelines. I'm not doing anything. I sold some dollar Canadian above 141, and that's it. Look at the dollar Canadian's not really doing a whole lot. That was a strong Canadian jobs number, it was. So I don't mind being long the Canadian. Crude oil is not doing anything, though. Look at gold. Gold spiked down and is coming back. So here's gold. It's the final countdown. Yeah, look at the futures now. They spiked up, and market says, I don't know if I like that too much. Right back down again. Dollar yen. Hmm. What to do? What to do? Okay. Peso came down, obviously, because risk on came on, but U.S. dollar, Norwegian krona, Swedish krona, they're both stronger. So the euro dollar just, pushed to 108. We exceeded the 108 and a quarter, but I mean, look, we're actually sitting at 108 and a quarter, aren't we? But that's going to be typical of a non-farm payroll. You overshoot. Okay. The euro dollar, pushed right through that support, and actually it looks like the 108, the 618 is going to be that's the price. But that's a bummer. I really really wanted to short the euro higher is what my intention is or was or still is. Dollar yen, come on Betsy, get up there. Get up to 119. That's all I ask. I just ask for 119. I don't think we're going to get it. Don't think we're going to get it. You know what's interesting? The cable pushed lower, but it's not aggressively selling off. That's interesting. It's interesting that the pound's holding up so well. If you guys, for those of you that want to, I'm not doing this, but for those of you that, if you want to, you know, you buy the euro dollar, put your stops like at 107.90, and risk 25 pips or so, maybe. I'm not taking that trade, but I'm just saying that for those of you that are looking for something to do, at least you can define your risk. Whenever you can define your risk, it's, like in this case, like, okay, well, I'm going to short some dollars here, fine, buy the euro down here and just put your stops, here, and then, if you get stopped out, obviously, you just, take it as a, all right, well, I shouldn't have been selling the dollar on a strong jobs report. But I don't really think that the average hourly earnings really suggest to me that um, um, the average hourly earnings suggest to me that, whatever bullishness this dollar is getting from the jobs report right here, it's going to be it's not going to be that, it's not that great, because you don't have inflation that's really pushing up with it. Now the dollar yen is coming down. Thanks, Gene, for the compliments. I really appreciate that on Twitter. Um, dollar yen isn't really, it ain't gonna do it. Dollar Canadian's coming down. Well, at least I got short some Canadian, or I got long some Canadian. Uh, hmm. Yeah, let's look at some of these yen pairs. Look at this stupid dollar yen. Damn, dang it. I mean, again, I'm going to say it worked out exactly how I planned it. It just didn't reach the price that I wanted. Gosh dang it. I hate it when that happens. Okay, so let me ask you this. Now, even though I didn't short the dollar yen, I'm hoping some of you did. Did anybody short the dollar yen when it spiked up like that? Did anybody? Anybody get some dollar yen short? Lyle got some at 118.70. Christos did. KH did. David did. KH sold at 118.62. Joshua sold it at 118.69. Christos sold at 118.60. Ron sold it at 48. Like right here? Careful. Well, hey, at least some of you guys got to participate. That's good. I'm glad. I'm glad. Even though I really wanted to wait for 119. Now what to do? Now what do we do? Now I guess it's Friday. I guess we go drink beers, right? That's like that's what we should be doing. It's got to be beer 30 somewhere. I know it says it's 6:30 a.m. here or 6:40 a.m. here in Arizona, but